isikhumba nje.
Zanele una 21?
Yebo, ngina 21.
Nawuntwana bengaki?
Anginabantwana.
Khulele saba bona. Happy birthday sithanda sami yazuba ilanga lemnandi ne?
Ngiyabonga.
Sharp mama.
All right.
Brother no, sharp brother.
Happy birthday.
Why nibheka ngathi mina khanda malisebenzi manje nawuntwana bengaki?
Ay vele khanda la kwalisebenzi.
Asirewindini khomotso.
Talk to me.
Ekasi. 21. Bakwatile kumanje njengoba isasa bathi ngazathi. Isasa ngazathi makuphela inyanga. Bangathi baye bank bathi insufficient funds. Yes, the feeling insufficient funds umele 180 yomntwana. And by 4 ubalile 180 times 4 yazi maths 360 times 2 720 rand. Yes 720 ngenza nemntwini. Una 23.
Sure.
Abakhe bayifola abantwana. So ayikho into wrong bangibuzuzanele ukuthi no ayikho into wrong. Nenza ngathi nina abantu bafanele bamithe sebana bama 25. Oh yeah.
27.
Ay, my mom had me when she was 18.
Mama, we love
she
you,
was
mommy.
18. My dad was 19.
Basha.
Bebabhorekela bathi ngenzani. Wena babambeka ikarate kathi ngakukhaba ngizakukhaba ngastretch. Khaba ngastretch. Queen letterland Queen of Queenie, give it to me. Oh mama. And mama afake brain mood. Kwaba khona mina. Ayikho into wrong. Umbuzo wami was valid. Mangabe bazokutshela ke ukuthi bangithi yabazi baya tweet. Bazokutweeta bathi bona batshela abantwana abananga. Serious, ayikho into wrong. Mana 21 so ready.
You ready?
Bachelor tuna 16 angithi manje or 18.
Ubani?
Ilotho.
Yeah.
Mama ibamba lilotho na 18.
Yeah.
Se ulikhala uzanele late.
What?
Uzanele very late. Uzanele intanga zakhe zimile kusasa manje lekhaza libenzani. Bayo register abanye.